Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this VW remote key fob. What we need to do is remove this part of the key fob away from this part of the key fob because they split in half. We do so by getting our flat-headed screwdriver like this, and just in that indentation there, we put the blade of the screwdriver in like so, and we give it a wiggle, which releases the catch that holds the housing to the blade part. And there you go. The key fob battery is situating in this part of the housing. You get your little screwdriver and see these two little legs. You just pop out the two legs, which splits the two halves of the case, and there is your key fob battery. We just get our small screwdriver and we just simply remove it from its housing. Sometimes it can be quite tricky, this one, so be patient. There you go. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We just simply get our key fob battery and we just pop it back into its housing, like so, making sure that the writing on the battery is facing upwards so we know it's in its correct location. And now it's time just to pop it back together. So we get the other half of the case, make sure it all lines up and clicks in place. There you go. Now we get the other half of the key fob, make sure it all clicks, and there you go. It's all done.